Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this letterboard heart that I found at Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. I'm going to take off all of the paper and pull out the letters and set them aside. And then I am going to start by painting all of the pink on here with some white paint. You can use white acrylic or white chalk. I believe I used white acrylic paint on this. And I'm just going to get all of that pink right around all of those parts that hold the letters on. And I just did 2 coats. It was a little tedious getting in between each one. You could tape them off if you want to. It would probably make the job a lot easier. But I just really didn't like the pink and the teal look for like an everyday use. This was definitely a cute like little Valentine's Day project, but definitely wanted to change it so I could use it year round. Once I have that all painted white, I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to paint those little pieces that stick up that hold the letters on. So I'm just going to make sure I get around all the edges. I don't want to see any of the teal color in this at all. So I'm just going along each one, and then I'm going to do the bottom half of each one as well. And again, you can tape these off if it's easier for you, or hold a piece of cardstock up against it. And I'm just making sure that I get all of that teal color gone. And you want to make sure you don't forget to get the little edges on each side and the bottoms. And then in the top a little bit, there's a part where the letter sticks in. You want to make sure you get that too. So once I have that all painted and dry, I'm going to take some of this greenery from Walmart. It's boxwood. And I'm going to glue a couple pieces of that up at the top. I'm doing this right in the center of the heart. Just kind of hold those in place. Then I'm going to add a little buffalo check bow that I made out of some ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to glue that right to the center of the greenery. Fluff it all out. And look at how cute this is turning out already. Next, I'm going to take the letters and I'm going to spell out "Bless Our Home." So I'm just going to put the letters in, slide them in, and then make them all even. And these are just little paper letters. There isn't much to them. And you get quite a lot of letters, so you can write whatever you'd like. You could write "Welcome Home." I just decided to do "Bless Our Home." And get those all even. And then you can start on your next row. And I'm making sure that they're all set right next to each other. And then I finish that off, and that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. It was a really easy makeover, and now it can be used for Valentine's Day or year round. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.